The first thing you're going to do is go to chat.openai.com, and that's going to bring you to a login screen. However, I'm already logged in, so this is what it looks like once you log in. But stepping back, you can log in with either your Google account or your Microsoft account, and you just have to set a password. You will have to verify that it's you via a text message. So make sure you have your phone out and ready to do that human verification so you can start talking to robots. So first things first, this is the user interface of ChatGPT as it looks today. You can choose what type you want to use or what version of ChatGPT you want to use. I always like using the latest, which is 4.0. And you can just simply go here and you could ask a question. You can have it browse the web for something for you. You can have it write a message. You can use some of these prompts here and just really start playing with it and get to know how it works. This is something my son asked me today about dog breeds. How many breeds of dogs are there? So just a simple prompt like that, it's not for work, it's just kind of understanding what it is. So it's giving me an answer because it can access the web and get that information that we need. So another thing to know about the prompts is that you can edit the response or regenerate them as well. So you can change the model while you're in the middle of using it, or maybe I don't like this answer, so I can have it regenerate and tell me in a different way. So it gives me a little bit more concise, and I can tell if it's better, worse, or the same. I'll say it's better, just so it knows. You can also have it read aloud.
There are approximately 340 recognized dog breeds worldwide, according to the Fédération Cynologique Internationale.
I could copy it, and then that way I don't have to highlight it. And also, if you copy it this way, it tends to paste a little bit better with the format. So that's how you do a simple prompt, and let's get going and I'll show you a little bit more on the other end.